Good Thursday morning, South Florida. Hurricane Maria continuing to pummel parts of Puerto Rico with heavy rain and gusty winds, and Dominican Republic, especially the northeast coast here, Punta Cana, a very popular resort, and all these areas dealing with torrential rain and some damaging winds, as right now Hurricane Maria has regained strength to a Category 3 major hurricane. At some point yesterday, it did weaken because of the land interaction with Puerto Rico, but now it is a powerhouse with max sustained winds of 115 miles per hour, moving northwest at 9 miles per hour towards the Turks and Caicos Islands as we head into later today, likely maintaining Category 3 status, but now staying to the east of the Bahamas. That's what the current forecast track is showing, and to the east of Florida. So in terms of Maria, we can all breathe a sigh of relief here in Florida. Of course, still feeling for our friends across the Caribbean. And then it looks like Maria will be making a close approach to the North Carolina coast into Tuesday as a Cat 1. So folks up and down the Atlantic seaboard will have to keep an eye on Maria. As we look at some of our neighborhood network weather reporting stations in San Juan, we had wind gusts up to 98 miles per hour and rainfall exceeding 15 inches there. And we're seeing those wind gusts from 86 miles per hour in St. Thomas to 92 miles per hour in St. Croix, and rainfall potential ranging from 12 to 18 inches of rain. When all is said and done for Puerto Rico, some areas could see more than 25 inches, and in Dominican Republic could see a foot or a foot and a half of rain. And of course, the potential for life-threatening flash floods, mudslides continues there. Looking at the models right now, most of them tightly packed together in consensus and agreement that Maria stays to the east of Florida. However, what happens into early to middle of next week, there's a lot of uncertainty, although most of the models keep it moving to the north and east, away from the mid-Atlantic and the New England areas. Certainly these folks will have to monitor it. Right now, hurricane warnings continue for parts of Puerto Rico as well as Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos, and the southeast Bahamas. And there's tropical storm Jose, which is part of the reason that Maria is going to take that path to the north. So right now, Jose is just creeping to the east at 2 miles per hour. It's just going to hang out here and eventually become a depression into the weekend. And it is bringing some heavy rain, gusty winds to the New England areas. Locally, we're enjoying a quiet start this morning. Winds are fairly calm or light. It's also really muggy and warm. We're seeing the upper 70s, low 80s, and temperatures right now feeling like the mid to upper 80s because it's so humid. For today, 92 degrees. Later on, though, it'll feel like the hundreds when you factor in the humidity. Storms will be developing, a 30% chance of rain today, a high risk of rip currents, and boaters right now, it's looking good. Seas about 3 foot because of that swell from Jose. Into the weekend, we'll see a better chance of storms as we get into your Friday for the first day of fall, and breezy showers continuing for your Saturday and Sunday.